Good morning students. I am SK Theory from Kendriya Vidyalaya Masrat. Today I am going to teach you class 9 mathematics of chapter polynomials. Continue part 5. This is the revision of the chapter. So students, let us start to revise our chapter because already we have finished. In spite of all those, if anyone is having any kinds of the doubts and difficulties, we will clarify to revise of the chapters. And I think in the last portion, that is identities of this chapter, is very important. So let us start to revise the identities. These algebraic identities, from your earlier classes you may recall that an algebraic identity is an algebraic equation that is true for all values of the variables occurring in it. You have studied the following algebraic identities in the earlier classes. X plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2i xy plus y square. Identity 2, x minus y the whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Identity 3, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Identity 4, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. You must have also used some of these algebraic identities to factorize the algebraic expressions. You can also see their utility in computations. So for this one, you see NCERT questions. The example 16, find the following products using appropriate identities. Question is x plus 3 into x plus 3. So we can use the identity x plus y the whole square. This will be equal to x square plus 2y plus y square. Putting y is equal to 3 in it, I can write x plus 3 into x plus 3, that is x plus 3 the whole square, and that will be equal to x square plus 2x into 3 plus 3 the whole square, that is x square plus 6x plus 9. Using identity 4 above, that is in second part, question has given x minus 3 into x plus 5. So x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. We can write x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to x square plus minus 3 plus 5 into x plus minus 3 into 5, that is x square plus 2x minus 15. By taking this one, evaluate 105 into 106 without multiplying directly. This question is very important. Such type of questions will be very important to come in the examination. So 105 into 106 can be written as 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6. So 100 square plus 5 plus 6 into 100 plus 5 into 6 using identity 4. So we can write that will be the 10,000 plus 1100 plus 30. So 11,130, that will be the final answer. You have seen some uses of identities listed above in finding the product of some given expressions. These identities are useful in factorization of algebraic expressions. Also, you can see in the following examples. Factorize 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. Here we can see that 49a square, that is 7a the whole square. 25b square is equal to 5b the whole square. 70ab can write 2 into 7a into 5b, that will be 70ab. So comparing the given equations with x square plus 2xy plus y square, we observe that x is equal to 7a and y is equal to 5b. Using identity 1, we can get 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square can be written as 7a plus 5b the whole square is equal to 7a plus 5b into 7a plus 5b. So that will be the final answer. In question number 2, we have 25 by 4x square minus y square by 9 that can be written as 5 by 2 into x the whole square minus y by 3 the whole square. So by comparing it with the identity 3, we get 25 by 4 the x square minus y square by 4 is equal to 5 by 2 into x the whole square minus y by 3 the whole square. So it will be equal to 5 by 2 into x plus y by 3 multiply 5 by 2x minus y by 3. So far all your identities involved products of binomial. Let us now extend the identity 1 to trinomial x plus y plus z. We shall compute x plus y plus z the whole square by using identity 1. So x plus y is equal to t. We can write x plus y plus z, that is t plus z the whole square. So t square plus 2tz plus t square, that is we can write t square plus 2tz plus z square. So I can write here x plus y the whole square plus 2 into x plus y into z plus z square, substituting the values of t. So that will be that x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2xz plus 2yz plus z square. This is the identity 1. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This is the rearranging the terms. So we get the following identities. X plus y plus z the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. We call the right hand side expression the extended form of the left hand side expression. Note that the expansion of x plus y plus z the whole square consists of 3 square terms and 3 product terms. You can take the another example. Write 3a plus 4b plus 5c the whole square in the standard form. Comparing the given expressions with x plus y plus z the whole square, we find that x is equal to 3a, y is equal to 4b and z is equal to 5c. Therefore, using identify, we have 3a plus 4b plus 5c the whole square, that can be obtained as 3a the whole square plus 4b the whole square plus 5c the whole square plus 2 into 3a into 4b plus 2 into 4b into 5c plus 2 into 5c into 3a. We can obtain as 9a square plus 16b square plus 25c square plus 24ab plus 40bc plus 30ac. Now take the another example. Expand 4a minus 2b minus 3c the whole square. Using identity 5, we have 4a minus 2b minus 3c the whole square is equal to 4a plus minus 2b plus minus 3c the whole square. We can write 4a the whole square plus minus 2b the whole square plus minus 3c the whole square plus 2 into 4a into minus 2b plus 2 into minus 2b into minus 3c plus 2 into minus 3c into 4a. So it can obtain as 16a square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 16ab plus 12bc minus 24ac. So by using these identities, you can solve the questions which is given in the NCERT questions, and I think all of you have solved. In spite of all those, if you feel any kind of the difficulties, please share your ideas. First of all, once again you see and watch these videos and revise once again the questions which you have already solved, and in spite of all those you feel difficulties, please share your difficulties and any kind of the doubts if it arises in your mind. Thank you.